Alright. I'm back. Alright, I'm back. Don't know... Don't know how much was bought. Let's go back to this song. There we go. I like that one. Alright, let me check my videos real quick and see if that other one's already just going up in the archives. Yes, it is. Edit the name on that one. Part 1. Save those changes. Then this live one is going to be part 2. Okay, claims everything's been saved. Alright. Now, let's see if this game will do an actual clean and build. Or if I'm gonna have further system issues caused by segmentation faults and something that should be a little bit more disconnected from the system than it seems like it is. That was annoying. You know what? I'll just let the stream run. I'll watch my own stream. It'll make me feel better when I see the analytics in the morning. Okay, so it's legitimately not wanting to run right now. So... shoot. This is after a full reboot as well. A full reboot and it's still not working, and all I did was try to just close out everything here. But it's not even getting this far. So... oh wait, it's probably because active level 2 is what's going? Let's start with active level 0 and just try and run it from there. It was acting weird. We both saw it was acting weird, or we all could see it was acting weird. Okay. Boom. Next level. Oh. Yikes. Didn't say next level, and that's when it faults out? Okay, so it says starting level 2. Sprite's finished, UI is finished, setup is finished. And it faults out. So what are we rendering here? We've got 3 UI buttons. We have 4 UI buttons. Oh, and then... yeah, and then the 4th one is rendered at the end here with the victory screen. That's how it was set up before. Got the 2 flag points. got the 3 bridges, or the 3 platforms, and then the 2 bridges that the player draws. Everything should be good there. Alright, let's add our render completes, our render start, and the render complete. All right. Render start, render complete, render start, render complete, then it faults. So it gets through the rendering twice before it faults out. But it never makes it to the screen? What monster have I bred here? What would cause a level to break now? It's been working this whole time. This is irritating. Okay, so it finishes the setup. It loops twice, then completely faults out before it's actually able to draw anything to the screen. Huh. Hmm. I'm just gonna have to keep breaking the game. Till I figure out what's going on with it. So it's already done. Now this is still closing out here. Okay, so it goes through the setup. Sets up all this. The UI is finished. Sets all that up. Setup is finished. Everything's good. This then runs twice. Yeah, it then runs twice and then faults out when literally all it's doing is just drawing the render screen. It's not doing anything other than the rendering screen. So let's just comment stuff out in blocks, shall we? Alright, let's try running it now. Nope, that wasn't it. Let's do the next block now. Let's get rid of that. Hello to whoever it is that's watching. Shouldn't be me anymore, I'm just paused. Okay, nope, that's still broken. I'm trying to get the finishing touches on my game done here. It's just... it's short, it's puny. Oh, hi, Andrew. I'm trying to finish the game getting wrapped up, but I finally got all the bridge problems to stop. You can now switch directions and do everything, and I was just gonna throw the game out to people to want to do with what they want with it. But now level 2 is throwing a seg fault. And literally the only thing it's doing right now is it's rendering. Let's just cut out the entire render thing, how about? Just cut it all out. It's been doing a lot of weird stuff. I'm just trying to debug it now. Level 2, whenever you click on this button, it throws a seg fault. Genuinely doing nothing at here. So... I mean, this is doing exactly what happened to me last time. I was just like, okay, final save, then it just bugged to death. Just completely bugged out. What is it doing that's freaking it out this bad? Is it even just something happening outside of it? What would it be? So... Just get rid of that render function entirely, because it's the only thing it should be looking for. I honestly don't know what broke it. It's just, it's throwing a seg fault for level 2. Level 2's been running fine for a long while now. And then it suddenly just stopped. Okay, with completely cutting out the entire render function now, it's holding stable. Not even calling this function. All right, let's do a manual purge. Clean and build. Should take about 11 seconds. There's gonna be 2 videos from this, by the way, Andrew, because the first time I was trying to diagnose this, it actually locked up my Windows bar, the bar for my Windows up here, so I physically couldn't do anything. And as a result, it just locked up my system, and I had to reboot. And by the time I got back, the stream had already, like, finished off and was archiving, and you can't add to it once that happens, so it's gonna be a second video, which is fine. Alright, let's see what's going on with this, see if this is any happier now that we're running completely clean binaries, nothing else. Nope, it's still faulting out, and it's literally just faulting out doing those. Yeah. That's really annoying. Let's just leave it an empty function. It does nothing now. It calls an empty function that does nothing. Just the fact that the function exists is freaking it out. Did my system spring a leak? Is it actually like a problem with the RAM in my system? If so, that's gonna be really bad. That's gonna be real bad. And do I have anything I can use to check that? I'll put this over here on my second monitor. You guys won't be able to see it, but... what's the... okay, let's see. Where's Bridger? Is Bridger in there? There's an untitled window, which that might be it. Let's close and see if it goes away. No. Alright, let's open it up again. Go by the name of Bridger, okay. Or untitled window, I guess. Enough. See if there's any anomalies that show up here. Nothing. Nothing showed up. At all. Let's try it again. Still nothing. Maybe if I just rename the function, it'll let me get away with that? Let's just try that. Let's just try renaming it from render to, let's try draw. Call it draw here. Call it draw here. Nope, still faulting out with an empty function sitting there. Well, now it's just faulting out without even pretending to have difficulties with it. Why is it segmentation faulting out when there's... It's not dealing with anything anymore. Alright, let's just cut straight to the broken one. Where'd the game go? There it is. Game. Let's just cut straight to level 2. And debug. 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 Do that again at the beginning and end. So it's setting up, and immediately upon running is when it's faulting out. So let's see how far in we go. Exit not desired. Let's go down here. Say else. Puzzle's not getting solved. Exit not... Okay, run started, exit not desired, puzzle not getting solved. That's not what I want there, actually. I want that one down here. And... not one. There we go, okay. So it makes it through the whole game loop twice. It doesn't deal with any arrays. It's not doing anything. But it seg faults out. I guess I need to run the debugger. Let's just install some breakpoints in here. Let's run the GDB debugger. Okay, step forward. Guess over is 8. Okay, so return 0, goes back, starts over again. Checks to see if it was 1. Wait. Checks if 3rd level. Hold on. Okay. Wait. Hold on a second. I might have just hit something. It jumped out of the loop for level 2 and went to level 3 for some reason. That is extremely abnormal. Especially since the active leveling is still specifically in 2. It has to follow that variable. Yeah, active level is 2. So we set up the 2nd level, and we stay on the 2nd level, but then it decides to then, after 2 loops, okay, check if it's 10, we don't, and it's not. Checks if it's 1. And then jumps to case 3. And jumps to case 3 despite the fact that case 3 is not even valid. Oh, right. That little line right there. Break. What do you want to bet this solves the whole conundrum? Son of a gun. Well, there you go. The little things will trip you up. And they strike at the worst times. Yeah, there we go. It works now. Yay! Now let's get rid of all these console outs. So that way it can actually be read by a human. There we go. Alright, let's quit out of that. And now... well, the reason why level 1 works is because I tell it to break out of the switch case. It doesn't loop through all potential cases of active level. Just that one individual case set up here, and then it breaks. Well, some reason that break right there was removed. And so since that break was removed, it then went to try to run level 3, which wasn't set up yet, so it faulted out. I never even knew that was gone. Alright, get rid of all that. Set you to 0. Let's take it from the bottom. Victory! Okay, we won. Next level. Stick that one there. Stick that one there. Get it up over the lip of the platform. Catches it. Goes up. Boom. Done. I need to reset those bridges. That's a little bit of polish that can happen right there. Yeah, level 2. No, it's level 3. Now, archer reset from level. I run it, but I don't run it for all of them. Got 4 of them. So, let's run it for all 4. There we go. Do 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 da do da. Okay, that was a little abrupt. That didn't do what it was supposed to. I don't know why that happened, but... okay, then. Alright. Delete. Delete. Ah, it's so nice to see it working. Close the game. It should close. Ow. Okay, it didn't want to close. Let's take a look as to why it didn't want to close. Okay, let's find return 10. That's under check victory. Do I have check victory done here? Right there, return 10. Okay. Maybe now it'll work. This one works. Okay, that's still very odd that it's doing that. Okay, down it goes here, down it goes there, down it goes, down, 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 boom. Ooh, and it just closes everything real quick. Okay, yeah, that's, ooh. Right then, how did I finish out level 1? Okay, so completed finished equals true. And if finished, return 10. Okay. Okay, so that's the part that's missing from everything else. So take return 10 out of the victory check. And I need to add here, if finished, return 10. And then again here, if finished, return not 11, but 10. And boom. Wait. Why did it skip a level? Why did it skip a level? Did the level 2 setup not put finished as false? Doesn't look like it. So... there's that, and let's make sure it's the same here on 3. Ooh. Oh. Goodness, what a yawn. Seems to be working a little bit more reliably now. Alright, here this goes now. Boom. Done. And that one is in the books. That is my first ever actual completed game. That's right. I'm calling this good. Let's see. Sign in. Alrighty, alright. I'm getting GitHub set up right now for anybody who's wanting. I'm gonna just push the source code to GitHub. Actually, let me try something real quick. Actually, let me attempt a build. Okay, I'm gonna try something real quick, actually. I've got, on this screen, I actually have a compiler kit that's supposedly good for building on, like, Linux executables, or you can build or Windows executables on Linux. So gonna give it a shot here real quick. Let me see what this is. Let's do these two commands. Hopefully they don't execute together. Oh, they tried to execute together. Alright, let's fix these out here. Want it to do CPP to be Bridger FW32. There we go. What? Come on, I'm pretty sure I installed those packages. Pardon me 1 second. Do. Yes, I have all of that stuff already. G++-w-w64-I686. No. Still not wanting to work. Ning GW. Okay, do a system-wide search now to see if I can find it. Well, I seem to have them, I'm just not sure how to use them. Let's play around in NetBeans for a minute, shall we? Let's add one. /USR. What's these others? Bin. USR bin. Okay, yeah, let's go. No, let's stick with this. Let's go USR/bin. I'm gonna try and name this one Ring W. Shoot, there's nothing in here. No, there is nothing in this. Just remove that whole tool set. Never mind. Forget all that. I will be publishing it to GitHub as soon as I get it compiled for Windows. Hmm. Oh shoot, I finally figured it out. Finally figured out the command I need to run. That only took forever. Alright, okay. Alright, navigate to this directory. Bring this over to here. Let me see if I can look at the wonderful chats. Alright. shhhhhh bridger.exe. Oh, come on. You're gonna really do that to me. You're really gonna do this to me. Okay, let's see if we can make this work again. Let's go add /usr/bin. It's under GNU, but let's try it for the minj w. Let's try that command. It's the x80 i686 i6 86 i6. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is them. Okay. Assemblers. Yeah. This is them. This is them. Okay. See, I want the GCC one for this. So that one. And this one. I686. Want this. Got that one for the C++. Apply. Alright. See if I can choose to build it with a very specific set of tools. Set it to release build now. You know what? Let's just give it a build. See what it does. It's using Clang. Okay. Let us temporarily... Let's temporarily... Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, all kinds of linker errors. Because we didn't give it any linkers. That might be why the command line version failed as well. We'll have to fix that. Let's default it to the minj w for now. And image dash L SDL2 image. I sure hope that works. All right. We need to okay, include headers. Not preprocessor defs, but headers. This one's gonna be, okay, so it's /usr local lib, no, share, no, include. No, it's not. /usr lib, and then SDL. No, that's not it. Includes. There we go. SDL.h. There we go. Should be happy now. Are you not happy? I pointed the IDE to where it needs to go. You know what? Let's just delete that from here, and let's just add that whole thing as an include directory. Select. There. Let's try it now. Alright, let's go dot slash dot slash dot slash dot slash dot slash usr slash lib sd, nope, it's local, no, it's include. SDL2 SDL.h. There we go. Are you happy now? No, of course you're not, because you have to do the same thing for every other file because you've never heard of a linker. First world C++ problems. I don't know how to get this compiler to work. You know what? It's 11 o'clock. I need to get up early in the morning. I'll just leave this sit. I will figure it out tomorrow. Hope everybody enjoyed the stream. I will not be starting. be finishing up. I'm done with this project. I will get it online for you as soon as I can. Now my images aren't loading. All my stuff is broken. It's all wonderful. Ah, there it is. Cool. Alright. Have a good night, folks.